Hello, this is Tony Tornado, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe with those notifications turned on for all the latest content.
What's up, YouTube? It's Gage Tornado here, back at it again. And I'm doing good. Just lost some subscribers, and so I'm really mad about that. I lost 15 subscribers in the last week. I'm pissed about that. Alright, you guys, if we do not get to 400 subscribers, there will not be any pencil sharpeners in this world. No. Not enough pencil sharpeners, no bottles of water, no window shades, nothing. Alright? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, dude. Yeah. It's going good. I'm mostly I only got like one subscriber within the last 3 days. It's just good. So yeah. Mantha's still manipulating people, looks like, commenting on my videos. But it's good. It's good. It's good. Alright. And hopefully she stops manipulating my channel, because I'm really mad about that. Alright? Oh man. There will not be any more pencil sharpeners in this world if we do not get to 500 subscribers. There'll be nothing! Alright guys, yeah. No, that's it. That's it for this video. It's good. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.